Hello, in front of me I've got OnePlus Nord CE 3 Lite. In this video I'll show you how to connect Pendrive to your smartphone. In the beginning, make sure that your Pendrive has a USB-C stick and then plug it to charging port in your smartphone. Now it's plugged. Wait a second. We should get notification about explore and eject, but if it's not here, go to settings and firstly search for OTG. Now enter OTG connection and enable this function. Now OTG connection is enabled, you can go to Files app, browse and explore your Pendrive from the menu on the bottom of the list. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.